Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to demonstrate what should I say that bachelor's meal in one go. So bachelor's meal is included rice, dal, and that will be cooked in one go in one time. I've taken 1 cup of rice and some dal. This is sufficient for 3 or 4 persons, as because it is being cooked in one go. For that reason I've taken some more dal, but this rice is sufficient for one person, so that is for bachelors. I have soaked the dal for half an hour and wash it properly, and now I will add water, but the quantity of water is very essential. So for 1 cup of rice you should add, as because this is separator cooking, this is not direct cooking in pressure cooker. So for 1 cup of rice you should add 1 and 1 and quarter cup, so that is 1.25 cup of water. And for dal, 1 cup of dal, 1 cup of water. And for dal, making dal, you should add some turmeric, some salt to check frothing, and some little oil, maybe mustard oil or any kind of edible oil. And this dal is for special cooking for another person, so I will show you that how can you manage this dal cooking in this one go. So for this dal cooking I will add some little water, very little water, as because the amount is very little. So now I am coming. So see, I have added water in the rice, and in the dal I have added water and turmeric, some salt and cooking oil. Okay, so now I am closing the lid, and now here it is to see that how I can manage this lid. So this little amount of dal I should place it here, okay, and then I would cover it with this, okay, and the rice should be covered with that. Now I have taken this pressure cooker. This is 3-liter pressure cooker, and 3 liter is enough for bachelor cooking. You need not have 5 liter. Then go for 3 liter. 3 liter is enough for bachelor cooking. So place the grate. If you don't have the grate, then place any kind of dish like that, and place 1.5 cup of water and place the grate. And now place the dal first, and then the rice, and then close the lid. So lid is closed and gas is on. So I am putting the whistle. So let's first 3 whistle come on high flame. First 3 whistle come on high flame, and then you just make the flame in medium, and then make 2 whistles, and then slow the gas and wait for another 5 minutes. So first 3 whistles in high flame, then make the gas on the medium flame and count 2 whistles, and then slow down the gas fully, and then count 5 minutes. So first whistle to come. So after third whistle I will make the flame on medium. So here you can see the flame is on medium flame. So on medium I will count another 2 whistles. So on medium flame 2 whistles and blown. Now I am making the flame totally low setting. So on low setting I will count another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes over, I have switched off the gas. Now I will allow the cooker to cool normally, and then open it. So pressure is released and I have opened the cooker. Now check. So here you can see that after opening the vessels, this is the motor dal. So how perfect it has been cooked. This is the rice, fluffy rice, no excess water, and this is the masoor dal. So how properly it has been cooked. So if you follow the step properly, so you can make the bachelor's meal very quickly. And after making the dal, you have to temper it separately. Otherwise, before making the dal, you can temper priorly and mix it with and then pressure cook it, what I have shown. So you can do like that way. Otherwise, you just boil the dal and then temper it. Okay, so any option you can take. So just follow this step, and if you have any question, then please ask. I am here with you all to answer the question. Thank you, and see you again with another topic or another recipe. Bye bye.